Hey, 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 my ear has been hearing something. Oh, hey, is this the end for ozone shippers? Wait for it now, we'll find out soon. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Vibe and Learn with Pearl.
Focus, see me at the drive focus. Then I you just scatter my thinking, and I know they know what's up. Say if I let me know, what's in your mind, and I will let you know, what's in my mind. So if you both know, what's in we define, straight to the point, make we know it's a time. Say you don't need to the book, you need to the phone.
So as I was stuttering, Jare, but not like a motherfucker. No, not like a motherfucker. So today now I've been looking, this drama has been happening since. I've been checking everywhere. What should I feed you people? So I came to this conclusion. So we are going to be talking about Nengi and Ozo first. So as we all know, Nengi and Ozo now, they've been shipping them together, and people have been wondering what's going on. Are they really dating? Abi they are not dating. So we are not sure. So this now brought this so there's this guy Daniel Gloma. If you don't know him, he was once spotted with Nengi one time like that, sha. And you know now Nengi is now in the UK, cause me I knew through V. You get now. So this guy now, people have been like, "Shey, this guy wanna steal Nengi from Ozo." People have been dragging this guy since when they saw this guy with Nengi. So this guy now went live one time like that. So not just recently now, you get this guy went live. Ha! Oh my god, people of cruise as in they drag this guy. They drag him gone. If you see comments, or people were just abusing pages, so people were just giving him back to back. The guy was blocking people that were actually, abusing him. But this guy didn't block people that were abusing Nengi. So people actually came to the people now, people of cruise, So this guy actually came, and these people actually came to the conclusion that this guy is actually chasing clout with Nengi. You get now, but people drag this guy on this live video. I'm sure some people even follow this guy to drag him, as in no be small dragging. So when all this drama was going on and stuff like that, a fan now tweeted, Nengi's fan, you get one of the ninjas now tweeted, Nengi is single, pass it on. People of cruise. Nengi liked the tweet. It really got people talking, like that means Nengi is what? She is single, and this actually cleared all the air about she being with Daniel Gloma, she being with Ozo, stuff like that. That didn't end there. People of cruise, more cruise. So Nengi, she's the kind of person, she ignores a lot of things, and I'm sure this thing has gotten to this place, and because they did not only drag her alone, they dragged she and her friends and her family join. I used to use just Nigerians, they always, you get now. And she then came out and tweeted. Nengi tweeted. It was a long tweet. People of cruise, let's read the tweets. My brand is important to me, and a good name is better than riches. I have been quiet on a lot of things, but this constant disrespect is unacceptable. Please stop pulling down my friends, my brand, and my team. I understand it's part of what I signed up for. However, it is mean to subject my family and friends to the same violence, as they didn't sign up for this. If you also love me because of your fantasies, understand me in capital letter. I am Nengi, I am a brand, and I should be enough for you. Lilo now tweeted. People of cruise, Lilo to tweeted. Can you imagine? People of cruise, let's read Lilo's tweet. It is the dump ass people that curse each other on this app over celebrities that chill together for me. Lol. You will now blame your village people for your stagnant life when really you are your own problem in life. Summary, if you curse, it's gonna go back to you. In Bella's voice, you wish me bad though, back to sender. That's Bella Schmolder. When she said that, trust Nigerians, they drag her. People drag her. As in, people were like, Lilo too is talking. Who dashed this one celebrities? As in, no time to waste time. Now I'll have shown you comments now. Trust me. As in, people drag that. People said, who dashed you celebrity? Who said you are a celebrity? Some people said, if not for Leko and Dorothy, who would know you? Some people even said, Chibi, you entered inside the Big Brother Niger. You were just sleeping. Who even knew you? Because of man, you left early. Hey, as in people of cruise, they drag Lilo. People were even like, if you want to address fans, you can address them moderately. Some are older than you. Hey, as in fans are older, and it's true. Yeah, so we were hyping the show. That's why you guys became popular and all of that. So my own opinion is that she shouldn't have called we fans, not we, not Misha. Maybe they fans. She has her own fans. I'm not a fan. They are fans, as in you get. She should have not called them a dump ass this thing, and she's chilling together or whatever she's saying. That's for Lilo. As in, she's next time she to learn how to, advise people. Just you can put it in another way that nobody's gonna drag you. But people of God, they drag her, and it was good when they drag her. People of God, where all this all this drama and cruise are going on. Tricky Tina came and finished everything. If you don't know Tricky ex-PP Niger housemate, Tricky came. I was surprised. So Tricky now tweeted, people of cruise, let us read Tricky tweet. Tricky tweet is not related to all these basketballs that have been going on. No. This one is another dimension on his own that is not even causing like Tricky. What's going on? I think I'm sure Tricky tweeted that out of frustration, because if he didn't tweet out of frustration, when you didn't have money, or when somebody already promised you and then you have been waiting on top of that money and they didn't give you, they then called you and tell you that they didn't have the money, how it's gonna pay you, and you have Twitter, so just go on Twitter. I'm sure that after that frustration, that when he typed that, like he tweeted that, I'm sure it has gotten to this level that he needed to speak out. Soros, okay, as in, let's read Tricky tweets, people of course. This country self, brands will say something on national TV and do the opposite when the cameras are off. Didn't I tell you that it's out of frustration for Tricky to come out and tweet this? Hey, you know that it has gotten to the level where he cannot even hold it again. And if we should look very well, people of cruise, we will know that he's talking about this BB Niger sponsors, this thing that they said they're gonna give this, they're gonna give that, and I've been thinking, so I thought it was only me. Thank God Tricky came out. I've been looking at it also, that these people that say they'll go to Scotland, they'll go to Dubai, they'll do this one. Because I remember Nengi V and Lakon, Johnny Walker stuff, they said they'll go to Scotland. I didn't see any of them. I didn't see when they went to Scotland for the Revolution Plus ambassadorial deal that they're going to give the top finalists, Adio, Dorati V, and Nengi. I didn't see them go. I didn't see them being ambassador for Revolution Plus. They didn't go for any of that ambassadorial deal or whatever. Even the Lipton. You guys just remember the Lipton challenge that they did. I didn't see them. Maybe they went, we don't know, but I don't think any of them went. So I feel this sponsor of season 9, BB Niger, if you are already out in season 6, audition is on. You have not finished your former work. You've not taken them out. You've not given them all the old stuff. All this traveling, I'm sure is that the one that sponsor it by themselves. You didn't give them what they asked, you said. They didn't ask from you. They didn't ask now. You said you will give them by yourself. And what's going on? You didn't give them. Do your this thing diligently. And before you start season 6, so that you'll not be looking at people as sure you understand. Okay, that's that for that. People of cruise, people of vibe, you not to like vibe. So we've talked about Daniel Nengi and also Daniel Gloma, and trust me, if there's any other bad posts, I'm going to tell you guys. I'm gonna feed you guys. So this is don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, please. If you love this video, don't just go. Subscribe, like, share. And this is Vibe with Pearl, and some of my videos are Learn with Pearl and Vibe with Pearl. Do well to check them out, and I say peace out. And this is what we're going to be seeing more of Big Brother and Nigeria reunion. I can't wait for them to air the show, and I'm going to feed you guys with the show, as in people of cruise. And I peace out. Yeah, give them. Yeah.